Lots of students questioning कितने बच्चों ने पेपर दिया, कितने बच्चे क्लियर हुए, because you know this is a very crucial time and now you're waiting for the result. Who will qualify JRF? Hello everyone, welcome to another informative session for all of you. Because you know this is a very crucial time where all the students are there right now. You have given your exams and now you're waiting for the results. You just recently got the answer key, and there were lots of people, lots of students questioning about few things and were waiting for a reply on the previous video. So I would request all of you to please drop in a message on our numbers, on our official numbers, if you want us to reply. We'll surely reply to all your queries and whatever doubts you have. I'm sure it is a crucial time. You'll be having hundreds of doubts. So please, if you want your queries to be solved, please don't write it in the comment box. Please message us directly so that we can come back to you as soon as possible. And yes, this is another session where I will be telling you the comparative of what kind of result UGC is giving, how much percentage. You have often heard कि 6% बच्चे जो हैं वो उनका नेट क्लियर हो गया, 1% बच्चों का JRF क्लियर हो गया. But what is the exact number? How many students are actually giving the exam? How many students are actually qualifying? The not just a percentage. I will give you the exact comparative data. हमने बहुत टाइम लगाकर कंपाइलेशन किया है आपके लिए एंड वी हैव गॉट यू कितने बच्चों ने पेपर दिया, कितने बच्चे क्लियर हुए, बिकॉज यू नो फ्रॉम दैट यू गेट एन आइडिया दैट आई नो 6% विल क्वालिफाई एंड 1% विल क्वालिफाई JRF, बट what exactly is 6%? कितना 6%, कितने बच्चों का 6% combination बनता है? We often have those queries once we are giving the examination, and that's why I made a special video based on the queries which we have received on the mobile. So we have made a video. I'll soon be making another video wherein I'll be telling you about set examinations, what all set examinations are coming, किसका फॉर्म निकल गया है, कौन से एग्जामिनेशन बचा है, वेयर ऑल यू कैन अप्लाई, हु ऑल कैन अप्लाई, व्हाट आर द डेट्स फॉर द एप्लीकेशन. तो सेट एग्ज़ाम का प्रॉपर एक वीडियो हम आपके लिए अभी बहुत सून लेकर आएंगे. सो मीनवाइल please let's see, because this is a very important video, that who will qualify JRF, how many students will actually qualify JRF, what is the 6%, what is the 1%, all those questions will be solved in this very video. Very warm welcome from Sahitya Classes. I am Pallavi, your paper 1 educator, and yes, hard work always pays off, whatever you do. So don't worry if you are in a crucial time. You must have done your hard work. Now it's time to reap what you sowed, right? But even though if the reaping is not as per your belief or what you expected, there is still time. There's a long way to go. You still have some months, and then there is another examination. So why not make the most of it when you can? Welcome to our new session. And yes, please work hard, please give your 100%, and even if you give your 100%, start working again. Don't wait, don't stop yourself. I'm sure according to the data and everything, once the answer key is released and until the result is announced, there is 15 to 20 days gap in between. So it's just matter of some days which are left. Answer key has already been released, so matter of couple of days, most probably by end of February or starting of March, you will get your results. But you know, if you want to clear your JRF, don't sit and wait for the results to come. Start working right now. Start putting all the efforts you had put before and start working now. Don't waste the time. Studies will never, you can never go wrong in studies. Even though you clear, still you will learn something new in these days, because there would be something which you did not know in the examination. So please start from that. There would be some topic paper देते वक्त हमें लगता है यार ये और पढ़ लेते, तो ये और पढ़ने का टाइम अभी है, because you missed that question and you might have missed something from it. Start from that. ये वाला टॉपिक और पढ़ लेता तो क्लियर हो जाता. Start from that topic. Okay, mark my advice and start working right now. Okay, so this is a comparative study. हमने December 2021 we have started for the from December 2021 and we have gone up to June 2024. Okay, so let's see. आपका December 2021 and June 2022 का examination was a combined examination. ठीक है, the number of candidates which were there was 5,44,485. The number of candidates which sat for the examination was 544,485. 5,44,485 students sat. ठीक है, and इसमें से the students who qualified net was 43,000. तो 5 लाख almost 5.5 लाख 550 आप इसको मान के चलो, उसमें से 43,000 जो हैं स्टूडेंट्स, 43,246 स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं उन्होंने क्वालिफाई किया आपका नेट क्वालिफाई किया. इनमें से JRF क्वालिफाई आपका किया 8,955. ठीक है, दिस वाज अ कंबाइंड पेपर. तो यहाँ पर जो है नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स गिविंग द एग्जामिनेशन वर मोर दैन द नेक्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन बिकॉज ये दो साइकिल्स जो है कंबाइन होकर एक हुआ था. तो 43,000 आपका सिलेक्शन, इट वाज द सिलेक्शन नंबर कि कितने एग्जैक्ट नंबर जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इट इज़ अराउंड 6% ओनली. इतने बच्चे सेलेक्ट हुए थे एंड JRF के लिए 8,955 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 9,000 स्टूडेंट्स वर क्वालिफाइड फॉर JRF. ओके, देन आपका जून 2023 में एग्जामिनेशन हुआ. ठीक है, 2021 2022 के बाद आपका एग्जामिनेशन हुआ जून 2023 में, जिसमें 4,62,000 द स्टूडेंट्स appearing were lesser. If you compare it from here, the students appearing were lesser. It was 4,62,144. So obviously qualification would be lesser because students also were less. यहाँ पे दो combined थे, यहाँ पर एक था. 32,304 जो है वो selected candidates थे and यहाँ पर 4,937. Okay. If we go to December 2023, the students were higher. December में generally you will see that इस time पे students were little higher, 6,95,000. Almost 7 lakh students sat for December 2023 examination. Highest in these years. It is 5,50,000 almost approximately. It is 4,60,000 and this is almost 7 lakh students जो हैं आपके, they sat for the examination, जिनमें से 53,762 students were selected for UGC net. They qualified the net and then 5,000 students जो हैं they qualified JRF. So see why we are telling you this, so that you are aware that the number of students applying for the examination is also very high. The competition is very tough. So you cannot sit back right now also and wait for the results to come. The person who will qualify JRF would be person, if 7 lakh students are giving, then 5,000. Among 7 lakh, 5,000 students are only clearing the JRF. So there is a huge pressure on you that you are competing 7 lakh students and you have to come in the 5,000 cream layer for clearing the JRF. So that is the work and efforts and hard work which is required right now. June 2024, अब आपका जो June 2024 का एग्जामिनेशन हुआ था, there 6,84,224. Again the number of applying students were more. Students every year increases, sometimes it decreases, sometimes it increases, but in the pattern right now it is increasing only, or it is equivalent. It is also approximately your 7 lakh only. So again approximately 7 lakh students sat for the examination. 53,000, again qualification rate for net was 53,694. But if you see, JRF qualification went down, although little less number of students were sitting here for this thing, but still the JRF qualification rate went down. Okay, so but in June 2024 there is one more category among net JRF which has been added, which is only PhD. यस, नाउ ओनली पीएचडी के लिए भी आपको नेट जेआरएफ क्वालिफाई करना है. तो ओनली पीएचडी के लिए भी देयर वर 1,12,070 स्टूडेंट्स जिनको क्लियरेंस मिला था ओनली पीएचडी करने के लिए भी. ओके, सो दिस वाज एडेड इन योर जून 2024 अटेम्प्ट. यहाँ से ये अब ऐड हो गया है आपके लिए, विच इज़ योर ओनली पीएचडी अटेम्प्ट. So this is an actually survey wherein you can see how many students were sitting, what were the exact number of students who were qualifying the NET, who were qualifying the JRF, and now how many students are qualified only PhD as well. Okay, see, there can be many things which we can discuss wherein a big examination is conducted. So this is something which you should always know. This is not your syllabus, but something which is very important and equivalent to syllabus, because you should know the trend, how many students you are competing. This helps you, this boosts you, this makes you pump up that once I am wasting my time, there are lakhs and lakhs of students who are actually studying, who are actually started studying, and I personally know so many students who started studying for the next examination immediately. Okay, so if you want to come in these percentages, or especially in JRF percentages, the hard work begins now. Okay, so now I'll show you the percentage as well. This is the qualifying percentage. Herein the net qualifying students were 7.94%. It was almost, you can say there was the almost percentage was 8%, because it was a combined attempt. It was combined attempt. ठीक है, and JRF qualifying students were more than 1%. जनरली हम कहते हैं कि यूजीसी जब हम क्वालिफाई करते हैं, जनरली इट इज सेड दैट it is 6% of the total number of students who are giving the attempt, and once we are talking about JRF, it is only 1%. Okay, but here since it was a combined attempt, यहाँ पर हमारा it was more than 1%, it was 1.64%. Okay, similarly अगर हम जून 2023 देखते हैं तो यहाँ पर 6.99, अगेन इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 7% आपका जो है क्वालिफिकेशन रेट था यूजीसी का, एंड 1.68, अगेन इट वाज मोर देन 1%. ओके, अगेन इट वाज मोर देन 1%. ठीक है, सो 1.68% इसका जून 2023 का जेआरएफ क्वालिफिकेशन था. नाउ अगर हम दिसंबर 2023 देखते हैं, इफ वी गो एंड हैव अ लुक ऑन दिसंबर 2023, द क्वालिफिकेशन रेट फॉर नेट इज 7.72%. ओके, अगेन इट इज मोर देन 7%. ठीक है, हमारा उस रेशियो से अभी भी उस परसेंटेज से वी वर हायर. ओके, मोर देन 7%. यहाँ पर 8% था ऑलमोस्ट, यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट 7% था, यहाँ पर मोर देन 7 था यूजीसी क्वालिफिकेशन रेट, एंड यहाँ पर जेआरएफ क्वालिफिकेशन ड्रॉप्ड. इट बिकेम लेस देन 1%. more than 1%, more than 1%, less than 1%. So you can see the decline. Although यहाँ पर हमने देखा था number of students attempting the examination were more. The students attempting the examination were more here. Still the qualification rate decreased, JRF qualification decreased, and it became less than 1%. Okay, and then if we see June 2024, 7.84% जो है हमारा was your it is more than, again more than 7% कर लो, या little less than 8% आप इसको कह सकते हो, qualification rate for this thing, net qualification, but again it was the same, less than 1%. यहाँ पर जो आपका ओनली पीएचडी का ऑप्शन आया था, that was 16.37%, which was introduced in your June 2024. It was introduced from June 2024 and qualification rate for this was 16.37%. Okay, but ये मीठी गोली है एक तरीके से. It is not something, there are so many plus and minuses for it that we will discuss in some other video probably. But as of now, if we see a comparative study, the percentage qualification for JRF are reducing. So we have to come in less than 1% percentile who are giving the examination. So please, the purpose of making this video is to tell you that how many students will actually qualify, how many students gave the examination, what is the things which you need to do right now. The first and foremost thing which you can do right now is please start studying. I'll tell you something, just a small tip before we end the session here, just a small tip. If you want to clear your JRF, if you want to be in less than 1% per people who attempt the examination and who give the examination and who clear JRF, that is now according to the data is even less than 1%. अगर आपको इस percentile में आना है, so the first and the foremost thing which you can do is start your preparation. Start your preparation right ओके. स्टार्ट कहाँ से कर सकते हो आप अपना यूजीसी, आपके पास यूजीसी पेपर 1 है, आपके पास यूजीसी पेपर 2 है, ठीक है. वट एवर पेपर 1 एंड वट एवर पेपर 2 यू हैव, पेपर 1 इज द सेम राइट. आपने एक अटेम्प्ट तो दे दिए, यू हैव गिवन दैट अटेम्प्ट. Think of the topics which you did not read but came. Make a list of those topics. ठीक है, make a list of those topics जो आपने पेपर में देखे but those questions you could not, those topics you did not read. ठीक है, but they were there and they were asked but you did not read. Make a list of those topics. That can be one topic which you remember, might be 2, 3, 4, whatever list you have, start studying from that. जो नहीं पढ़ा है उससे start करो, ठीक है. Because right now you are fresh, you gave the examination, you have all the time in the world, you are still waiting for the results to come, ठीक है. But at least ये list बनाकर start working on it, okay, so that even if the result is not as per you wished for, you still have the next attempt waiting for you, right? You can start from this and you will really be very happy once you will see that yes, I made sure that I did not waste my time and I will rework on my paper 1 or paper 2 wherever you lacked. But right now see, paper 1 में there would be something which you would think हमने नहीं पढ़ा था, पढ़ लेते तो हम पास हो जाते. उन टॉपिक से स्टार्ट करो and we will see you in another session which will be soon updated about the set examinations, the list of set examinations, who all can apply, when you can apply, when are the scheduled examinations. So please stay tuned for that examination. Meanwhile, if you have any query, please write to us on messages in the number given to you below the video. Please ask on the messages. Since these videos are not live videos, we are not able to reply you on the live videos, live chats. So I would request you to message us on our numbers so that we attend to your query and we can solve your queries together. Thank you very much. I'm Pallavi.